This is Karl Kindt speaking, demonstrating the use of a program that is free to use to create digital signage. And what I've done here is use some photographs from Central Presbyterian Church of some of the bell ringers and some of the artwork and the sanctuary, and put these together in an example of what digital signage can look like when you run this particular program. Down here are screen divisions. I'm using this particular screen division, so I've got three channels. That one I should rename channel 3. And they're color-coded, so you can see where they're going to appear on the screen. And then you drag the resources. These are photographs in here onto channel 1, so they'll show up down here. And then channel 2 has got a label that has got some information in it about with just the name of the church. That will show up a few seconds after the first picture. And then I put in a digital clock that'll show up in this area. So let's take a look at what this looks like here. I'll play the timeline. And as it plays, you can see that you can give various effects to some of the text that you put into the picture. Transitions from one image to another can be handled differently. Some of these are a little bit abrupt here, but just to give you an idea of how the program works, I've put together a sequence of images in just sort of a random order. This is some of the artwork that's on one of the floors in the church, and as it goes through, you notice the clock. I'm recording this on January 20th at 9:06 p.m. and this, of course, would change the time and the date on this particular sequence. No matter how long you run it, the clock will work. Other effects that can be put in here are news feeds and other kinds of music could be added as well. So as you can see, there's some pictures here of the bell choir playing. I took some time ago, and we could add actually some video of the bell choir playing, and we could listen to them in the timeline that you see going along. So anyway, this is just a quick example of how digital signage can work, and the software is free to download. They allow you to put some of your data, resources, and so up on their server, and then you can assign the displays to various screens throughout the network that you have. The cost is quite reasonable. All right, stop the timeline, and I'll stop the recording.